Alright, so good day mga kayamers. Kamusta po ang lahat? Alright, so for today's video mga kayamers, papakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung kinabit nating bagong pipe dito sa ating Motorstar Legend 125 Fi. So, please stay tuned. Alright, so yun no mga kayamers no. So, alam ko iba palit na ng pipe dyan. Okay. So, ito, video na to para dun sa mga nagtatanong, okay, kung ano bang pwedeng pipe dito sa ating Motorstar Legend 125 Fi. Okay? So, yung pipe natin, actually, natanggal na natin at napapalitan na to. Okay? So, ito yung nilagay nating bagong pipe kay Touch.
You can see the writing on the pavement. Young kids, they're growing up in basements. Online, a whole new generation. I'ma make mine, so you better go take it. Always, they need a new replacement. Decentralized, can't contain it. We're changing lives, yeah, upgrading. Call it suicide of the older generation. What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had.
Alright, so yun mga kayamers, no? Ito yung pinalit natin na pipe kay Touch, okay? Yung ating Motorstar Legend 125 Fi. Okay, so ito ay pang beat V2. Okay, so kung tatanong nyo, plug and play na siya mga kayamers, no? Plug and play na siya. Meron din siyang silencer na kasama. Just in case hindi nyo gustong maingay. Okay. So, yan. Swak na swak siya mga kayamers. Yeah, swak na swak siya dito sa ating motor. So, ang kagandahan dito mga kayamers, no? Hindi siya yung buong exhaust. So, meron siyang elbow and then canister. Okay? So, yan. Swak na swak siya. Meron lang ditong... So, kasi sa stock natin, may need pang ilagay dito na kasama dun sa assembly ng ating exhaust. Ito dito, isa lang. Yan, ito lang yung ikakabit. Pero, okay naman siya. No, hindi naman siya maalog. Yan. Okay? So, yun. Tingnan natin, sound check natin. Pero syempre, hindi tayo mag-iingay dito. At hindi natin muna tatanggalin yung silencer. Pero okay na naman yung tunog niya, maski walang silencer. So, yun mga kayamers, no? So, quick video lang. Okay, kung anong pinalit natin na exhaust pipe okay, sa ating motor. So, I hope you like the video mga kayamers. So, please don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you mga kayamers and peace out.
I wanna be the one. I wanna be great. I'm gonna be the one. It's never too late. Game face on when I chase like that. Yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise, you can hate on that. I don't play both sides, doing me no cap. I'ma ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you ain't see me slack. No, it's not how you fall, it's how you get right back up. That's how you get tough. Calluses on my hands so rough, yeah, I call your bluff. I'm not the one, mess with me, come out with none. Cause I'm so done, you had your fun. And now you're gonna face down the barrel of the gun. Cause I got a full clip, put your name on it. But I'ma let you slide cause you ain't worth it. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want, I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want, I'll keep dreaming on.